Tuesday, June 4th. Let's check in with Dad and see what's going on with him. So, what's going on today?
I had to take the rad out again.
Oh no.
Because the rad was sitting up here.
Yeah.
And I got to get it down a couple inches so the fan is pulling full bore.
Okay.
But then there's another problem here. This is a bottom hose. That's all okay. So I have to go like this now and then reduce down to the other side. So
okay.
you have to make something special there.
Okay. Can't they make a pipe like this at Carly or no?
Well, I can try. I'll see what it can do. It has to go from that side down.
Okay, so as you guys can see, Dad has the rad back out. It's never that as easy as you want it to be.
We only have about this much room, eh?
Yeah.
To go down to here.
Okay.
I'll measure it and then go and see him.
Okay.
I sent the Frenchie home because we're pretty well caught up here. We got this made this morning. This is all covered in there now.
Oh, good. Okay, so you're just painting it and...
Yeah, well, I don't want to paint over there because Randy's working, then we'll get the floor in
okay.
And hose this.
Okay, well, the customer's fishing in Kenora right now, and he's sent him the update photos.
Yeah.
And how do you feel about your progress? You feeling positive or... Okay, and what's the latest on the axles?
I haven't tried it for sure though.
Okay.
He's gonna phone me when they're ready.
Okay.
We got the shocks in.
Okay.
The new shocks.
Okay.
And of course, the original studs that go through here are bigger on this side and smaller on this side.
Oh, awesome.
So we had to drill them. Make bushing so that fits tight.
Okay, it's always something.
Well, it's just making parts steady.
Okay.
Whatever.
So what's Randy doing here? Is he finished the wiring, or he's obviously still working on it? He's got the junction box installed there.
That's the boxes in there and all the fuses are there.
Okay.
And then he's gonna wrap this all up and loom it.
Okay.
I'm not interfering with him.
No, best not to interfere with Randy while he's working because he's a good worker. Okay, so as you can see, there's just stuff everywhere here.
So shifter has to go in, yeah?
Yeah.
The floor.
Now, do you have the gear shifting cable?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I think I got everything.
Well, I hope you do. So, okay, well, that's that. Raining outside here today, so Dad's working inside.
Well, I don't want to work in the rain.
No.
Like ducks have got stuff to do yet, but wait until the weather is good.
Okay.
And we will concentrate on this.
Okay. So, progress every day, guys. And, well, you've made a lot of progress in the last week, so I'm pretty happy for you. And you're happy with how the muffler got installed in the flex pipe there?
Yeah, you see, that's all tight.
Yeah, that's can't move, which perfect.
I'll cut that off.
Yeah.
That bolt off, and then I'll paint it.
Okay.
But everything is the way that's how the brake is supposed to be, free, eh?
Yeah.
That's all hooked up. It was just...
Okay, so guess what? This is your 351st video. And do you know you also got paid out by YouTube yesterday? Enough for 2 big bottles of gin.
Holy shit.
So
that's roughly $110.
Yeah, that's what you got actually. Was $105.88 after being monetized for nearly 3 months.
That'll buy 2 bottles of gin.
2 big bottles of gin, and then you're good to go for a while yet anyway. So Yeah, they sent me an email last night. You can collect your first payment, and I figured, well, that's gin for the next little while.
Yeah.
So thanks everybody for watching the videos. You're keeping Dad in gin, and
I imagine that everybody's anxious to hear this thing run.
yeah, well, everybody I think is very anxious to see how this all comes together. And I don't think they're going to see this video here for next couple of weeks, 10 days for sure anyways.
That's okay. They're waiting as long
Yeah.
as there's stuff coming.
So yeah, there we go, guys. If you guys have any comments, make them comments below.
Yeah.
Dad loves comments, and he loves hearing from his regular visitors. I'm going to big a shout out here to Louis Batista, who basically comments almost every single video, and all the other new and returning subscribers. Jim Parker said he watches every one of your videos. Saw him yesterday. So he says he never misses an episode. And
Well, that's good.
yeah,
Jim Parker and I are about the same age.
yeah.
So I'm glad that he's able to get involved. Yeah.
There you go. Okay, guys, that's Dad's update here for today. I'm going to take some photos for the customer, and we'll catch you on the next video.